Alright, so this is for an angled cut on a countertop. So let's say you want to make this cut right here. You've laid it out. And what I've done is I take this side of the circular saw blade, not this side, because stuff can sometimes get there. So I like to measure this side, and it's 1 7/16. So I'll take my dimension 1 7/16. I'll do the same thing down here, 1 7/16. And connect the dots. And then I'm going to drop the circular saw base until I'm just cutting off just a little bit of material. Maybe 3/16 of an inch. What that'll do is give me a nice score line. And then I can drop the blade a little further, take the straight edge away, and I can make the final cut. You can see with this millimeter, you know, it's pretty decent cut down here, and then the teeth take some away. Both can be cleaned up with a big cannon block for a bead of caulk. Sometimes when you have a chip, it's a little bit bigger. You can even sand that away, and then the caulk will more easily fill that hole. When cutting a veneer crossways, there's quite a bit more danger of blowout. So let's say I have to cut this line right here, and what I do is I'll draw the line and then maybe take a utility knife and carefully score it. Being careful not to run into the veneer like that, but instead keep it on the pencil side of the line as to not ruin the countertop with my utility blade. Go real gentle. Sharp blade's pretty important for this. And then I can do my work. Again with a back cut. You can see the little tear out there where I dug in past my blade. You can see the damage you can create by not scoring. Pretty significant damage. If this is a pre-finished top, you're probably getting in some trouble with that. Alright, so now I'm going to change the blade. Just for instance, some of the blades in this case look like this. You know, you don't want to be using oak veneer with a blade that looks like that. Although there's enough teeth, they're probably dull just from looking at it, the friction. So unplug the saw. There's a button here that will lock it into position, so I can turn my wrench and take the blade off. Pause that.